Imagine looking up at the night sky. We see countless stars, each one a distant sun twinkling in the vast expanse of space. Each star is a sun, possibly with its own planets orbiting around it, forming intricate solar systems. Could some of those planets harbor life? Life that might be as diverse and complex as the ecosystems we find on Earth? Could some of those life forms be intelligent, capable of building civilizations and creating advanced technologies? If so, how advanced could they be? Could they have technologies far beyond our current understanding? In 1964, Russian astronomer Nikolai Kardashev pondered these profound questions. He sought a way to measure the technological advancement of such civilizations. He devised a scale, now known as the Kardashev Scale, to measure a civilization's technological advancement based on its energy consumption. It's not about spaceships or laser beams, it's about energy. The scale focuses on how much energy a civilization can harness and use. Specifically, how much energy a civilization can harness and utilize to power its technologies and sustain its growth. The Kardashev scale has three main types: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Each type represents a significant leap in energy consumption and control. Type 1 civilizations harness energy on a planetary scale, Type 2 on a stellar scale, and Type 3 on a galactic scale. As a civilization progresses through these types, it gains the ability to control and utilize energy on increasingly larger scales, leading to unprecedented technological advancements. This energy mastery translates into incredible technological feats that could reshape planets, harness the power of stars, and even manipulate entire galaxies. The scale is a thought-provoking tool for contemplating the possibilities and challenges that lie ahead for any civilization, including our own. It invites us to imagine the future and our place in the cosmos. A Type 1 civilization is a true master of its home planet. This level of advancement signifies a monumental leap in a society's ability to harness and control the natural forces of their world. They can control all the energy resources of their world, from the smallest atom to the largest storm. This means they can harness the power of volcanoes, earthquakes, weather, and even the planet's internal heat. The energy potential is virtually limitless. Imagine controlling hurricanes, preventing earthquakes, and drawing limitless clean energy from the Earth itself. The ability to manipulate such forces would revolutionize life as we know it. That's the power of a Type 1 civilization. They have transcended the limitations that once bound them. They are no longer at the mercy of nature's whims. Instead, they have become the masters of their environment. They have become the architects of their planet's destiny, shaping it according to their needs and desires. But it's not just about raw power. The sophistication of a Type 1 civilization extends far beyond mere energy control. A Type 1 civilization also possesses advanced knowledge and technology in various fields. Their scientific prowess is unparalleled. They have a deep understanding of physics, engineering, and their planet's ecosystem. This knowledge is the foundation of their incredible capabilities. This knowledge allows them to utilize resources efficiently and sustainably. They can balance technological advancement with ecological preservation. They would have solved problems like pollution and resource depletion. Their world would be a model of sustainability. Their cities would be marvels of engineering, seamlessly integrated with the natural environment. Urban areas would coexist harmoniously with nature. Reaching Type 1 status is a significant achievement, representing a new era of planetary stewardship. Marking a civilization's transition from being planetary inhabitants to planetary stewards, this milestone is a testament to their ingenuity and vision for a sustainable future. Where do we humans stand on this cosmic scale? Are we galactic masters or mere planetary toddlers? As of 2025, we're not even a Type 1 civilization yet. We're still in planetary kindergarten, somewhere around 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. We mostly rely on fossil fuels, a finite and polluting energy source. We are making progress with renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, but we still have a long way to go. To reach Type 1 status, we need to become much more efficient in our energy production and consumption. We need to transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. We also need to overcome challenges like climate change and resource depletion. These are not just technological hurdles but also social and political ones. Reaching Type 1 requires global cooperation, innovation, and a shared vision for a sustainable future. Now let's crank things up a notch. A Type 2 civilization is far more advanced than a Type 1. They've graduated from harnessing the power of a single planet to controlling the energy of their entire star. Imagine capturing the full output of a sun, a blazing ball of nuclear fusion, and using it to power your civilization. That's the scale of Type 2 energy consumption. It boggles the mind. To achieve this, a Type 2 civilization would need technology far beyond our current understanding. One theoretical concept is the Dyson sphere. Imagine a colossal structure, possibly a swarm of satellites, completely enveloping a star. This structure would capture the star's energy, preventing it from radiating out into space. The captured energy could then be used to power incredible technologies and sustain a civilization on a scale we can barely comprehend. Section 5. Dyson spheres, snaring the sun's energy. Let's delve deeper into this mind-blowing concept of a Dyson sphere, a theoretical megastructure that could revolutionize our understanding of energy. Imagine building a structure so vast that it encompasses an entire star, capturing its immense energy output. It sounds like science fiction, but the idea is rooted in the laws of physics and the potential of advanced engineering. As a star radiates energy, a civilization advanced enough could devise a way to capture this energy efficiently. This captured energy could power their world on a scale unimaginable to us, providing virtually limitless energy. The Dyson sphere is not necessarily a solid shell, it could take various forms. One popular concept is a Dyson swarm, a collection of millions of smaller structures, each capturing a portion of the star's energy. Think of it as a giant energy farm, harvesting the power of a star to fuel an entire civilization. Building a Dyson sphere would be a monumental task, requiring unimaginable resources, advanced technology, and engineering prowess. Yet, for a civilization that has reached Type 2 status on the Kardashev scale, such a feat might be within their grasp, opening up new frontiers in energy utilization and space exploration. Section 6. Type 3. Galactic Masters. Now, let's journey to the pinnacle of the Kardashev Scale. Type 3 civilizations are the true masters of the cosmos. They have moved beyond harnessing the energy of a single star. They control the energy of an entire galaxy. Imagine controlling the output of billions of stars, manipulating the very fabric of space-time. The technological capabilities of a Type 3 civilization would be almost indistinguishable from magic to us. They would have colonized numerous star systems, their reach spanning across thousands of light-years. Travel between stars would be commonplace. They could manipulate matter and energy on a galactic scale. They might even possess the ability to control the formation of stars or harness the energy of black holes. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 7. The Great Silence. Where are the alien empires? If Type 3 civilizations are out there, harnessing the energy of galaxies, shouldn't we have detected them by now? This question is at the heart of the Fermi paradox. The universe is vast and ancient. If intelligent life is not that rare, shouldn't there be evidence of these advanced civilizations? Yet we haven't found any definitive proof. The universe, for all its splendor, seems eerily quiet. There are many possible explanations for this great silence. Perhaps advanced civilizations are deliberately hiding from us, observing us from the shadows. Maybe they have transcended to a different plane of existence, beyond our comprehension. Or perhaps the rise of a Type 3 civilization is a rare event, and we are truly alone in our corner of the cosmos. The answer, for now, remains elusive. Section 8. Reaching for the stars, facing our demons. The Kardashev Scale paints a picture of incredible possibilities but also reminds us of the immense challenges we face. As we strive to reach for the stars, we must also confront our own demons. Climate change, resource depletion, social inequality, and the threat of nuclear war are all self-inflicted wounds that could prevent us from reaching our full potential. To evolve into a Type 1 civilization and beyond, we need more than just technological advancements. We need to foster global cooperation, prioritize sustainability, and nurture a sense of shared responsibility for our planet and each other. The future of humanity hinges not just on our scientific prowess but also on our wisdom and compassion. Section 9. Our Cosmic Destiny, Gods or Ashes. The Kardashev Scale is more than just a measurement of energy consumption, it's a reflection of our choices and their consequences. Will we become a Type 1 civilization, harmonizing with our planet and venturing into the stars? Or will we succumb to our own self-destructive tendencies, leaving behind a legacy of ashes? The future is not predetermined, it's a story yet to be written, and we are the authors. The choices we make today will determine whether we rise to meet our cosmic destiny or fade away into the cosmic night. The universe awaits, filled with both peril and promise. The question is, what will we choose? What will our legacy be?